Yeah, let's take a look and see what we have here. Not too bad, but the problem is the subject matter. What is my subject? Is it this bird feeder? Is it this big block here? Is it this thing up here? Is it the wires? Is it the post? Is it the street, the flower? I don't know what it is. We have two people walking over here, and the criteria of the assignment stated that you needed to find an identifiable person, not persons, but person, and also showing the weather. So taking that into account, the only thing that's useful in this image would be to have the people like this. Now you could probably do this as a vertical or a horizontal, but there's no reason to have all that on the right side. We don't need the telephone pole, wherever that thing is over there. That's my image. That's the only thing that's useful in the image. Now we have an identifiable person, people, whatever you want to call it. Put two people in here, and we'll get this thing cropped out of here. And now we have at least something that's usable rather than the image that you submitted here where everything is just, I don't know where to look. So you have to realize, what are you trying to tell your viewer? Where is my subject? What is my subject? Right now, the subject is, you have a dead center bird feeder that's just hanging here. That is not the subject at all. The subject called for an identifiable person and showing the weather. When it's cropped in this manner, that's what we have. So you have to keep this in mind all the time when you're shooting. You know, what is your subject? What is the criteria asking for? And that's what you must do. So keeping that in mind, exposure is not too bad, but you do need to watch your backgrounds, your surroundings, and identify your subject, crop in tighter, fill in the frame with your subject, and get all other items that are not contributing to the image or the message you're trying to convey and get them out. Always try and do this in camera because you see how pixelated it comes out when you have to crop from such a long distance away and just a little piece out of a big image. So you're better off doing this in camera. That way you don't have the pixelization that occurs after you do the cropping.